How to change shipping cost in WooCommerce. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your shipping cost on your product on WooCommerce. Now, when you first set up a WooCommerce store, you'll need to choose how you want to ship your products. Shipping options include free shipping, flat rate shipping, and variable rate shipping. You can also offer local pickup and delivery. Once you have decided on your shipping options, you'll need to set up your shipping cost. Well, WooCommerce makes it easy to set up your shipping cost. Now, how do you set it up or how do you change it? Well, I won't be able to show you particularly here, but here is how you can do it. You want to first head into WooCommerce. You can head into WooCommerce website or app, and there you want to make sure you're logged into your account. The next thing what you want to do is you want to head into settings, and on settings you want to head into shipping options. Now on shipping page here, you'll see all of your shipping options. To set up your shipping cost, simply click on the option that you want to use and then enter your details. Now for example, if you want to offer free shipping, you'll need to enter the minimum order amount that qualifies for free shipping. You can also exclude certain products from free shipping by checking the exclude from free shipping box next to the product in question. If you want to offer flat rate shipping, you'll need to enter the cost for each type of product that you sell. For example, if you sell both physical and digital products, you might want to offer a different flat rate for each type of product. So this way you can change your shipping cost in WooCommerce. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.